In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail spell check. Let's start right inside Gmail. Click Compose to open a new message. You'll see the new message window pop up in the corner. Click into the message body, where you'll be writing your email. This is where spell check quietly does its job in the background as you type. Begin typing your text naturally. As you write, keep an eye out for red underlines. Those red lines are your indicators that something might be misspelled. It could be a simple typo, a misplaced letter, or a word that isn't recognized. Sometimes proper names, brand names, or technical terms will also be underlined even if they're correct for your context. In those cases, you can safely ignore the line if you know the spelling is accurate for your message. When you spot a red underlined word that needs fixing, right-click directly on it. A small menu will appear with suggested corrections. Pick the suggestion that fits the sentence you're writing, and Gmail will replace the word instantly. If you choose a suggestion and then change your mind, use undo on your keyboard. Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac to revert the change and try again. If no suggestion appears, it usually means the browser isn't confident about an alternative, so consider retyping the word or checking it with a quick search. If you don't see any red underlines at all, or suggestions aren't appearing, make sure spell check is enabled in your browser. Here's how to turn it on. In Google Chrome, open Settings, scroll to Advanced, then go to Languages. Look for spell check and switch it on for your preferred language. You can choose Basic or Enhanced checking. In Mozilla Firefox, open Options or Settings, find Language, and make sure Check Spelling while typing is selected. In Microsoft Edge, open Settings, go to Languages, and enable check spelling for the languages you use. After changing these settings, it can help to refresh Gmail so the spell checker kicks in. Also, verify that your message language matches the language set in your browser's spell check. Mismatches can cause words to be flagged incorrectly. That's it. Compose your email, type your message, watch for the red underlines, and right-click to fix any misspellings. With your browser's spell check turned on, you'll catch errors faster and send clearer, more professional emails. Thanks for watching and happy writing.